Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to use your pen drive as extended storage for your PS5 console so that you can move the games or you can directly install PS4 games in the pen drive. So that is what I'm going to explain. So insert this pen drive on back of the PS5 console. Do not insert this USB drive on front side. You need to use 3.1 USB port. So you can see the blue color, okay, on PS5 backside. I'm going to insert that. So pen drive is successfully inserted. And now I need to go to settings because we need to format it. And before that, just take backup of your pen drive if you have any data on that. Now we need to go to the storage. And here, right, pen drive is directed USB extended storage. Use the USB drive formatted as USB extended storage and move your games there to free up space in console storage. Super cool. So you can use this format as USB extended storage. So I'm going to do that. To play PS5 games that are in USB external storage, copy them back to console storage from your game library. If you have a USB external storage drive you are using on your PS4, you can also use it on your PS5. Super cool, right? So there is a lot of features. So in the pen drive, right, I need to format as USB external storage. I'm going to do that. And I'm going to install some PS4 games. So need to tap it. When you format the USB drive, all data on it will be deleted. So take backup if you have any data on your pen drive and then give yes. It's formatting. Mine is 256 GB. So this USB drive has been formatted as USB extended storage. So I'm giving OK. Super cool. USB extended storage is successfully set. Also, you can see the console storage and USB extended storage. And then is installation location, default installation location. So you can directly install PS4 games on USB extended storage. So I'm going to install here. Okay, we need to choose that. Yes, it's set. Now I'm going to install some PS4 games on my pen drive. Far Cry 5. Tapping it and I can download it. This is the PS4 version, right? Automatically it will be installed on your USB extended drive. So it's downloading. I'm going to tap it. I want to see where it is getting installed. So go back to settings. Under settings, right, storage and USB external storage. So games and apps is created. I think here it will be the Far Cry 5. Super cool, right? So also you can move the games easily from console storage. So go to console storage. Even you can move PS5 games temporarily. Whenever you want to play, right, again, you need to copy from external storage to console storage. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose small size game. So here I'm going to choose this game, The Matrix Awakens. It's a 25.31 GB. So just tap X and then you can select this option, select items to move. So here, right, wherever you want, you can easily move it. I have 164 GB on my USB external storage, so I'm going to move that. Here is a 25 GB, so I'm going to move it. Super cool, right? So tap move. This item selected will be moved to USB external storage. That's fine. To play the games that are in USB external storage, copy them to console storage or M.2 SSD storage. So giving OK, so it started copying. When it is copying, right, do not remove the USB external storage because it will be crashed. It will not be copying properly. And if you want to move the PS4 game, right, that also you can select and you can move it. Example, I'm searching PS4 games here. As of now, I don't have any PS4 games, I guess. Yes, God of War is there. If you want to move it, you can move it to external storage. So you need to select, just tap X and go to select items to move. Here you can see that whatever the content we can move, that we can move it. Examples, Jumanji, the video game. I'm selecting it. And here I'm going to select and move it. It's a 3.83 GB. Going to tap it. Okay. PS4 games directly you can play from your external drive. So now I'm going to verify on this external storage. So games and apps. So Jumanji is moved and the Far Cry also is installing. And if you want to move, right, from external storage to internal storage, that also you can do. So Jumanji, I'm selecting, and again, you can see this options move. It's 3.92 GB. So super cool, right? So that's it, friends. This is the way you can use your pen drive as extended storage. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback in video form. Thank you. Bye and take care.